Good morning guys, this is today's job. We've got this driveway here to clean. As you can see, this block pavement hasn't been cleaned in some time, so we've been called in to give it a rinse, give it a clean. We said we'd do the garage door and the side path, so let's get started. Right guys, this is today's job now complete. As you can see, it's come up really nice. The side paths come up good. The block pavements come out really nice. The colours are shining through. The garage door looks like new. Here's a quick glimpse of the before. There's the after while it's wet. There's the after once it's dry. As you can see, it's really nice. Almost like new. And then Mrs. Coleman, thank you for the kind review. I will see you again soon.